Mas lalong lumalalim ang pagmamahal sa tuwing ikaw ay aking pinagmamasdan. Pakiramdam ko'y para bang nung una lang, nung una lang. Para bang nung una lang.
Kay Jerry. Okay, then next, Rich. Ayos. Naka-personalize yan. Ay, gasya. Extra large.
Kinikilig pa rin sa'yo hanggang ngayon. Hindi napipigilan ang puso ko sa pagkabog sa bawat titig mo. Kaya nung una pa lang, nung una kong marinig ang salitang mahal kita.
Hindi ako iiyak. Alam ko na yung mangyayari.
Mas lalong lumalalim ang pagmamahal sa tuwing ikaw ay aking pinagmamasdan. Pakiramdam ko'y para bang nung una lang, nung una lang. Habang tumatagal, mas lalong lumalalim ang pagmamahal sa tuwing ikaw ay aking pinagmamasdan. Pakiramdam ko'y para bang nung una lang, nung una lang. Para bang nung una lang. Para bang nung una lang.
Sabi nila, sa inabahaba ng prosesyon sa simbahan din ang tulog. Kaya itong simbahan, very siya, pinaigsi na lang natin para agad makadating ka dito sa altar.
To my high school sweetheart, the man who have patiently waited for me and for this day to come, who's been there with me for 12 years, 11 months, and 10 days. The person who chose to stay and spend the rest of his lifetime with me.
Pilit tayong ipinaglalayo pero itinadhana pala. Talagang God's timing is perfect.
Those 12 years were never always easy and never perfect, but all I can say is it is really worth it.
I wanna be your place. I wanna be your refuge whenever you're afraid, whenever you're in trouble, whenever your heart breaks. I'll dig with you.
I'm very grateful that I am here today, standing in front of the person I really wanted to spend the rest of my life with.
Shelter.
Long wait is over, my love. And I'm so excited for the new journey of our lives. I love you to the moon, to the stars, and to the infinity and beyond. Forever and ever. Amen.
You think you're at the end, but there's more around the bend, and there's nowhere left.
Jesse James, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Micaela na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Be your shelter. I wanna be your place. I wanna be your refuge.
We may have our ups and downs, but what matters most is we face and overcome all of those together, and we always choose each other every day. I do love you so much, Jesse James, and I will always be grateful knowing that I will be spending my lifetime with you. I love you.
Your shelter. I wanna be your shelter.
Micaela, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jesse James na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Your shelter.